Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about the topic from 3.19, the contact stress. Okay, the contact stress from the chapter 3, load and stress analysis from Shigley Mechanical Engineering Design textbook. Okay. So, uh, okay, introduction to contact stress. Okay, what is a contact stress? Is a wherever the things that in contact, it is called contact stress lah. Kan? Anything and anything where you put whatever you put in your table, the surface is in contact, so it has stress. So that is called contact stress. Okay, so in this chapter we're going to discuss about contact stress in a curve something like in curve. Okay, curve surface interaction when two curve surfaces press together, contact shift from point or line to an area leading to a three-dimensional stress development. So application observed in railway wheels, bath cams, gear teeth, and rolling bearings, where develops from repeated stress. If typical failure from contact stress are cracking, pitting, or flaking of surface material due to repeated stress. For example, wheel rail contact between wheel and rail demonstrate how concentrated stress can lead to surface wear if unmanaged. Okay, this is contact stress. This chapter discuss the stress that in things that is in a ball, like things like ball bearing and everything like that. So you they are in contact lah, kan? Okay, this is what we discuss. You will find this topic will be repeated again in the topic rolling contact bearing. Okay, where you want to choose the proper bearing. Okay, it will also discuss about the contact stress in the bearing. Okay, because the failure may happen like cracking, pitting, and flaking on surface due to repeated stress, meaning that usage over time it will become damaged. Okay. So fundamental of contact stress geometry. Okay. So they have the double radius of curvature. Why is double radius of curvature? Because things that in contact. Imagine a ball. Okay. Imagine a ball. Um, you have in contact. The bottom one is in contact. The left and right also in contact. So in contact with outer cylinder. So it's called double radius lah. The contact stress is influenced by the two radii enrolling and perpendicular plane affecting stress distribution. This also the Hertz theory. Okay, original theory by Hertz. Where you may hear about Hertz theory when you may be familiar with the word Hertz. Okay, Hertz equals to over time, 1/time. Okay, so it's called Hertz. It analyzes stress pattern in bodies with curved surface essential for high load application. Okay. Application of in spheres and cylinders used in modeling contact between balls, spheres, and cylindrical roller under load and key for bearing. For example, train wheel curvature, larger smooth wheels experience reduced stress. Okay, highlighting the impact of curvature on stress distribution. Okay, meaning that the wheel of the train, the wheel, any wheel that you can imagine with your car and everything, when the wheel is large, okay, the stress will be reduced. When the wheel is small, okay, it have more stress, especially when you put a high load on it. Uh, Imagine you have a small toy, you have a small toy truck, small toy car, you put extra load, okay, you force an extra load on the wheel of the car or the toy car. The toy car cannot move because it has the stress. Okay, the stress on it. Okay, so this is what I'm going the example talking about lah. Okay, contact of spheres, stress peaks at the contact point and spread over circular area influenced by radius and material property. Okay, when the contact is on the on the whenever it is in contact, because you remember the contact, the loading also come with the contact. But since it is in the cylindrical area or in the ball, you imagine a ball. So the radius will be the all the stress will be distributed evenly lah. Application in ball bearing, contact stress minimize is crucial to avoid surface damage in ball bearing, ensuring durability. You see the ball bearing as depicted by the picture here. Okay, this picture is a ball bearing. Actually, is a ball bearing. Okay, when whenever it is in contact, it's only a small surface that is in contact. So that is why the damage is minimized. Okay. So this is stress distribution. The stress form a circular pattern with size increasing proportionally to the load. Pitting and bearing. High stress in bearing may lead to pitting if lubrication fail, increasing wear. Pitting that, in other words, meaning that it might have uh, a hole, a hole inside it, like the dimple and everything that this is the pitting lah. Why it become pitting? So because less lubrication. Okay. Suppose you put the lubricated oil after some time the function of lubricated oil is no longer function, meaning that it has no contact surface. So it is in contact lah, metal to metal contact, then it become pitting lah. Okay. So hertz stress in cylinders. Okay, cylinder contact area. Okay, which is we discussed in the next video. Application in rolling bearing used in high load setting to spread load across a larger area, reducing wear, stress distribution, elongated contact, reduce peak stress, enhancing durability in heavy machinery. For example, conveyor rollers, lower bearing in conveyor reduce localized stress, extending component lifespan. Okay, I think that's all for the video right now. Inshallah, we meet again in the next video. Thank you very much. Okay.